What if you could use Ethereum without worrying about slow speeds, high fees, or network congestion, and enjoy the benefits of a decentralized platform that can scale to millions of users and applications? That's the vision behind the Dencun Upgrade, the most significant update to Ethereum since its inception. But is it too good to be true? Can Dencun deliver on its promises? Or will it fail to meet the expectations of the crypto community? In today's video, we will explore the ins and outs of the Dencun Upgrade and see how it could change the future of Ethereum and the entire blockchain industry. The journey so far. Ethereum is like a digital playground dreamed up by a young genius named Vitalik Buterin in 2012. It's not just about sending money around, it's a whole new way to build apps and contracts that run themselves without anyone in charge. Imagine making a bet where the computer automatically knows who won and pays them. That's the magic of Ethereum's smart contracts. On Ethereum, you can create all kinds of apps, called dApps, for things like games, sharing stuff without needing a middleman, or even making and owning unique digital art known as NFTs. It's a place for creativity and fairness. But with its popularity, Ethereum started to slow down, like a too small cafe overwhelmed by customers. That's why there's a big plan for Ethereum 2.0, aiming to speed things up, lower costs, and be kinder to the planet by using less power. Ethereum has been getting better with each update, tackling problems like high costs and slow speeds. It's a project that's constantly evolving, offering a fair playing field for everyone. With so many people watching and waiting, Ethereum's journey is far from over, and its future looks bright. Dencun Overview. The Dencun Upgrade is a dynamic duo of two significant improvements for Ethereum: Cancun and Denb. Picture your favorite superheroes teaming up. That's the vibe. This upgrade aims to enhance Ethereum, making it faster, safer, and more efficient. Let's break it down. Speed and scalability. Cancun streamlines the rules for apps and contracts, ensuring smoother and quicker execution. Denb steps in to maintain security and trust. Together, they form Dencun, which introduces exciting changes. Cost effectiveness. Ever felt the Ethereum transaction fees pinch your wallet? Dencun's got your back. It optimizes operations to reduce costs. Enhanced security. As Ethereum grows, security becomes paramount. Dencun adds extra layers of protection, like digital security cameras. Think of Dencun as a magical blend, fusing Cancun's agility with Deneb's reliability. Ethereum is gearing up for the spotlight, ready to handle more users and apps without missing a beat. Anticipation is building. Dencun's debut is imminent. Imagine waiting for a blockbuster movie premiere. Ethereum is about to hit a high note, and Dencun is leading the symphony. Dencun's EIPs. Ethereum is like a big, growing tree, and the Ethereum Improvement Proposals, EIPs, are its seeds. Think of the Dencun Upgrade as a special moment when lots of these ideas come together to help Ethereum grow in new ways. EIPs come from people who care about Ethereum: developers, thinkers, and everyday users. They suggest changes. Everyone talks about them, and if everyone agrees, these ideas become a real part of Ethereum. It's like voting on how to make a community garden better. Proto-Danksharding, EIP-4844. This is about making Ethereum able to do more at once. It's like adding extra lanes to a highway so more cars can travel without getting stuck. This EIP makes things faster and helps with new technology that builds on Ethereum. Temporary data storage, EIP-1153. Sometimes Ethereum's smart contracts hold on to information they don't need forever. This change is like teaching them to clean up after themselves, making everything run smoother. Restricting self-destruct, EIP-6780. This EIP makes sure a feature in smart contracts that can make them disappear is used carefully. It's like making sure a magic erase button is used wisely. Memory copy instruction, EIP-5656. This one makes Ethereum's brain work better by helping it remember and use information more efficiently. Imagine making a computer's memory faster. That's what this does. Beacon Chain Integration, EIP-4788. The beacon chain is a key part of making Ethereum secure and efficient. This EIP is like building a bridge, so smart contracts can directly use this security superpower. Validator Management Trio, EIP 7045, 7044, and 7514. Validators are like the conductors of the Ethereum orchestra. These EIPs help them do their job better by making the rules clearer and their work smoother. As we get closer to seeing Dencun in action, everyone who loves Ethereum is getting excited. The tests are promising, and even though we have to wait a bit longer than expected, the changes are going to be worth it. Dencun is all about making Ethereum ready for the future, like tuning instruments before a big concert. EIP-4844. Ethereum is bringing a cool new update called the Cancun Upgrade, or EIP-4844, to help with a big problem: high gas fees. These fees are what you pay to make transactions, and when lots of people are using Ethereum, the fees can get really expensive. EIP-4844 is here to change the tune and make things more affordable. This upgrade introduces something special called blob-carrying transactions. They carry big pieces of data, called blobs, that are way cheaper to send. This is because of something called Proto-Danksharding. It's a fancy way of saying that these transactions take a shortcut that doesn't overload Ethereum's main system, so they don't push up fees for everyone else. The twist is that Ethereum's core, the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, can't see what's inside these blobs. It just checks a code that proves everything is legit, which helps keep gas costs down. This means transactions can zip through more quickly and cheaply, especially with the help of Layer 2 solutions, extra layers that make Ethereum faster and cheaper. EIP-4844 is getting ready to roll out, with tests already showing promising results. Even though it's taking a bit longer to launch than expected, the Ethereum community is buzzing with excitement. This upgrade could make using Ethereum easier and cheaper for everyone, and that's something to look forward to. How this benefits Ethereum and Layer 2s. The Ethereum Dencun Upgrade is a big deal for Ethereum, mixing the best parts of Denb and Cancun to make the whole network better. Plan to hit the main network in early 2024. Here's what it's packing. Benefits for the main network. Proto-Danksharding, EIP-4844. This is the star of the Dencun Upgrade. It's all about making things cheaper by using something called blob-carrying transactions. These help handle more data without making things too crowded or expensive, cutting down costs for everyone using Ethereum. Better security and smoother running. Dencun brings in new rules and improvements, like EIP-4788, which makes sure different parts of Ethereum talk to each other better, and EIP-6780, which makes smart contracts safer. A nicer way to stake. With changes like EIP-7044 and EIP-7045, it's going to be easier for people to take part in staking. This means more people can help keep Ethereum secure and get rewards for it. Good news for Layer 2. Thanks to Proto-Danksharding, Layer 2 rollups will have more space to operate. This means lower costs and encourages more people and apps to use Ethereum, laying the foundation for even bigger improvements. This upgrade isn't just for now, it's setting up Ethereum for even more growth in the future. With plans for something called Danksharding, Ethereum is getting ready to handle even more data and users. Concerns. Here, the upgrade also comes with its own set of challenges. Here's a closer look at these issues and how we might solve them. Technical hurdles. Problems in test runs. In its test phase, Dencun ran into issues with storing data and the cost of transactions. Not enough people were taking part, and some were using old systems that didn't work well. The fix? Get more people involved, make sure everyone updates their systems, and keep testing to iron out the kinks. Making Proto-Danksharding work. Proto-Danksharding is at the heart of Dencun, but getting it right needs a lot of testing and teamwork. It's all about making sure this new method fits smoothly into Ethereum's current setup. Getting everyone on board. Teaching everyone. Upgrades like Dencun can seem really complicated. To help, there should be easy-to-understand guides, online talks, and workshops. Also, giving rewards for updating systems on time could help speed things up, fitting with current systems. Dencun wants to make things better for apps built on Ethereum, but it has to work well with what's already out there. Working closely with these projects, testing them together, and helping them adjust is key. Safety checks. Checking smart contracts. With new changes coming in, it's super important to check everything carefully for any security risks. Having experts look over the new code and fix any issues will help everyone feel safer. Keeping an eye out. Once Dencun is up and running, watching out for any problems is crucial. Quick action on any bugs or glitches will keep Ethereum running smoothly. Tackling these challenges head-on will help make the Dencun upgrade a success, making Ethereum better for everyone. What do you think the Dencun upgrade will mean for the future of Ethereum and your crypto journey? Drop your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to keep up with all things crypto. Until next time, keep your eyes on Ethereum and the vast opportunities ahead.